Hi kitties, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying new and viral skincare beauty products that internet made me buy because it kept showing up on my feed. I had to try it. One skincare that internet forced me to buy because it's so fun, unique and innovative is Anua Rice Enzyme Cleansing Powder. So I mix 1 teaspoon of this powder in water and it transforms into this creamy gooey foam, super satisfying. My skin always feels super soft and smooth after using it, but fair warning, it takes a little extra time to rinse it off completely. Oh, it also has ceramide, so I deep clean my skin in the night time after having a long day of work, unwinding. It's like one of those things you don't need it, but you want it. I tried this viral pink collagen jelly mask, which Hailey Bieber also tried, and this is by Medicube. So when I applied it on my skin, it's like a thick jelly mask, but as the active ingredients absorb, it turns completely transparent, so you can actually see it working. So it doesn't actually boost collagen production, but the plumpness, glow and hydration they give to my skin is always unreal. My skin glows for 2-3 days. I've never seen this kind of glow on my skin. PDRN injections are a popular treatment in South Korea known as the youth vaccine. So salmon PDRN is a DNA extract which heals the skin and improves the elasticity of your skin. So these viral collagen masks actually use hydrolyzed collagen, which is broken down collagen peptides, so it's easier to get absorbed by skin. But before moving on to the next, I noticed only 19% of you have subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe and let's hit 100k together. I'm planning a huge giveaway, so join the kitty fam and give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for the giveaway. I also got these viral Medicube Zero Pore pads. When I'm done swiping my skin using these pads, my skin looks poreless for hours. It's amazing at minimizing the appearance of your pores and control the sebum production because it has salicylic acid, AHA and other pore care ingredients. So I first start with the embossed side to clean and exfoliate the skin, and then I use the silky side. It has dual texture on these pads, so if you're oily, acne prone skin type, this is definitely for you. And if you are dry combination skin type, then make sure you are using a hydrating skincare after this because it might be tad bit stripping on the skin. Hyphen also launched their 44% rice water serum pads and I had to give them a try. I think I am loving pads these days. These are much more affordable than Medicube but still amazing. It's much more on the hydrating side. These pads are super soft and serum is lightweight on the skin. You guys know I always double cleanse my skin, but when I swipe my face after cleansing, I still see some dirt and makeup on these pads. So these pads are not only good to hydrate and brighten your skin, but also to remove leftover dirt and makeup from your face. During winter, sometimes I use it as a face wash, honestly, just to clean my skin quickly before going in with my night skincare routine, especially when it's too cold to wash my face and I've been inside my house whole day. I use these as a quick clean as it also hydrate and brighten my skin. These are very affordable, really good launch. Next, Maybelline came up with these blush plus highlighter. I have the shade Downtown Rush and these are very summery shades. I like how glowy these are. If you know me, I love glowy blushes. I love the Pink Gasm by City. That's like my favorite blush to ever exist, and this blush is like a peach version of it, and I love how affordable these are, and I'm gonna be wearing it in the summertime. I just wish that they had more variety of shades like pinks and deeper shades. Make sure that you go for a right shade. Downtown Rush is a peach shade, and I also saw some really light peach shades which will not be flattering on Indian skin tones. Maybelline also launched these steady tints which are so horrible. They do not dry forever. They're forever wet on your lip. I like the shades, but sadly the formulation is not it, you guys. I wouldn't recommend these. Am I the only only one who's not happy with these Fay Beauty lip whip. A lot of people on internet have been raving about it, so I had to give it a try. I honestly love the shade range, but they don't dry. Even after 2-3 hours, it was transferring everywhere. It's not smudge or transfer proof. I also bought the IndieWile Dewy Lip Treatment, and then I got it in the PR. Sorry for my phone. This is the shade Glazed Jalebi, which has gold glitter in it. So you can't use it as a lip balm, honestly, because it has a lot of glitter. There are kids outside. Don't mind them. But you can use it as like a lip gloss over your lipstick. I don't know how to feel about this lip balm. This is not a lip balm. It's like a lip gloss thing. I also bought the Fay Beauty liquid blushes. I got the shade Spicy, which is a deep maroon shade. So you need only 1 dot of it and it's enough. Like, it's serum blushes, so it gives a nice healthy glow to your skin as well. So I really wanted to try the Lancome La Vie Belle perfume, which is literally viral everywhere. Everybody keeps raving about it. So I have the sample of it, and can I be honest, I don't like it. It is too strong for me and it smells so alcoholic. Like, I don't even want to spray it on me. It has a strong stay power, but it's not soft and it doesn't have any layers to it. Honestly, I smell strong patchouli in this. I don't like patchouli perfumes. Maybe that's why I don't like it. I also bought a lot of new viral Korean skincare products, and I am trying and reviewing these products in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.